Right now, people are taking videos from the Chinese version of TikTok and reposting them onto the English version of YouTube Shorts to make an insane amount of money. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how these people are doing this and some extra ways to make content from the Chinese version of TikTok into fully monetizable content for the English version of YouTube Shorts. This video took me over a week to research about the niche and how to make it, as well as record it. So, if you enjoy this video, all I ask is that you hit that thumbs up. Let's get started. Here's an example video so you can understand the type of video I'm talking about.
Look at these two boys, they're weird. This pink guy plans to hit the green guy and he hit the green guy hard. Pink guy laughed so hard, and on another attempt he hit the green guy again. The green guy got hit once more, and the one recording the video was really amused. Will the green guy be able to get back at him? Finally, the pink guy missed and the green guy got back at him with...
First, let me explain exactly how you can make money from TikTok and YouTube Shorts.TikTok CRP or Creator Rewards Program. Now, to start monetizing through the TikTok CRP, you need to meet a few basic requirements. You must have at least 10,000 followers. This program allows you to earn money by posting engaging videos. To qualify, your videos should be at least 1 minute long, and the payout is around $1 for every 1,000 views you get. The more views you generate, the more money you can earn. Alternatively, if your account is already in the Creator Rewards program, you can immediately start earning without hitting the follower threshold. YouTube Shorts monetization. YouTube Shorts also has a monetization program. Unlike TikTok's CRP, YouTube uses a Shorts fund where creators are rewarded based on the performance of their short-form videos. You can start earning as long as your videos are generating a significant amount of views and engagement. Although the payout rates are different from TikTok, it's still a great way to monetize your content, especially if your videos go viral. In summary, for both platforms, you'll be focusing on consistently creating content that grabs attention and encourages views and interaction, which ultimately leads to earning more. Honestly, I got even more curious about this niche when one of my subscribers commented that I should make a video about this kind of niche. They mentioned creators like Mogrely and Gritness, and I was shocked at how huge their following is on YouTube Shorts, with their videos going viral at an insane rate. I checked out their YouTube channels and looked them up on viewstats.com. I was shocked at Mogrely's overall stats, reaching around 476 million views with earnings between $7.1 thousand and $25,000. Grit's channel, on the other hand, has all-time views of around 571 million views with earnings between $6.3 thousand and $24,000. You might be wondering why these channels don't receive copyright strikes. The reason is that YouTube is banned in China, so they are taking advantage of that. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to upload such videos on YouTube without any copyright issues, and you won't face any monetization problems in the future. If you're interested, you can subscribe to the channel. Now, let's move on to creating a video explainer niche. This entire video is a full course for you to learn how to create a viral explainer video with a complete step-by-step guide. First, search for xiaohongshu.com. But I will use the app version on iOS because it is much easier to find clips here, especially if we find a raw clips that we can add explanations to. One of the best clips you can find in Chinese are those that have already gone viral, like funny videos, meme videos, animal videos, and satisfying video clips. But make sure the total length of the video reaches more than 3 minutes. Now, I'll search for a video that's at least 3 minutes long. I'll scroll until I find the most interesting video that we can edit and turn into an explainer video. After a few minutes of searching, I found a great video that's engaging for everyone to watch. But if you're too lazy to search for editable clips for making explainer videos, I have a great offer for you that you'll love. I'll put the full asset material, including premium clips, sound effects, background music, icons, and fonts, in the description for just $27. The actual price for these materials is $499, but I'm giving it to you for super cheap to help you get started making money in this niche. I hate gatekeeping when it comes to new niches and how to make money using AI. And there's more. I'll also include the premium CapCut Pro for both phone and PC versions in the description for just $18 lifetime with no expiry. If you have a recommended niche and want a tutorial course for it, just comment and like this video. Next, I'll copy the link of the video, go to tik.cc, and download the Chinese video you want. Paste the link, and after it generates, click download. Once the download finishes, you'll notice the file isn't in MP4 format and we can't open or edit it in CapCut, but I can open it in VLC Media Player. So what I'll do is record it using OBS to convert it into MP4, and now we can edit it in CapCut. That easy, right? Next, go to the editing part. After recording and cropping the video to 9:16, the next step is to cut all the blank pauses one by one to make the content clear. Trim the video to the best highlights. You want to keep it short and fast-paced because people have a short attention span. Just follow what I'm doing to make your output look great. And if you want lifetime access to CapCut, I have a link in the description where you can purchase it at a low price. After trimming the video to the best highlight, I'll move on to creating the script. The easiest way is to get inspiration from other creators like Moggerly and Grit. After a few minutes of word crafting, I made a script based on the trimmed video. Basically, just watch the video, narrate what's happening, and make it authentic like you're telling a friend. Next, go to play.ht.com and create an account. You may be familiar with the interface as I used it in a previous video about the philosophy niche. Check it out. In this section, make sure to create an A account. After you creating an account, just simple login. Click voice cloning. I have the exact voice Moggerly and Grit use, but I won't give it for free because I want you to commit to pursuing this content. If I give it away for free, you won't be pushed to create content consistently because you didn't invest in something valuable. Next, type a name, click finish, select 0.9, paste the script, and wait a few seconds. After that, change the speed into 0.9 speed, then click generate the text script.
Look at these two boys, they're weird. This pink guy plans to hit the green guy and he hit the green guy hard.
Sounds great, right? Now, go back to CapCut, drag the AI voice, and add the background music I provided in the description. As you can see, the audio is attached to the video. Click extract audio, remove the clip, and adjust the pauses in the AI voice to align with what's happening in the scene. Make sure to follow what I did at this moment. If you have any confusion about the editing, you can simply rewind the video every few seconds to follow the exact process. Just follow my steps to ensure everything is clear, and comment below if you have suggestions or are confused about anything. Next, I'll add some icons. Simply add a red circle to highlight important elements like this, and place arrows for actions taken. Super easy, right? I'll continue doing this until the video is fully edited. At this point, I'll add a keyframe effect to follow the pink guy's head movements with the red circle. Then, press Ctrl K to show the graph, click Keyframe, and choose Ease Out 1. Next, I'll add sound effects to create a hook and grab the viewer's attention. Add effects that suit the actions and some funny or impactful effects. If you want the full sound effects pack, it's included in the description, along with all the materials needed to make explainer videos. Now I'll add captions. Click Auto Caption, Generate. Choose the Comica Axis font and adjust the settings. Uppercase and thickness at 25, shadow opacity at 100, and yellow for the font color. Then add an elastic animation. Before exporting, I'll review the entire video to make sure I haven't missed anything or made any mistakes. For hooks, I'll add a riser sound effect to add more spice to the video. After readjusting, I'll export the video in 1080p at 60 FPS. Here's the final result.
Amused. Will the green guy be able to get back at him? Finally, the pink guy missed and the green guy got back at him with a strong hit. The two of them are teasing each other. Then, after a few minutes, the pink guy hit again, boom. Another hit by the pink guy. Another one, and the green guy is getting really annoyed as he's being hit repeatedly, but still, no one liked the video.
I've created a full course material on how to dominate the explainer video niche, so your time watching this free course material won't go to waste. It's limited to only 100 people. In this course material assets, I'll dive deep into the strategies and techniques that have worked for me, along with my mentor's guidance. It's perfect for anyone serious about making high-quality explainer videos. The course material link is in the description, but be quick, it's limited to just 100 spots. Don't miss your chance to buy and gain exclusive insights into this niche. See you there.